Dibs. Come on, dog. Be my wife. Now I'm first one. My wife.
Come on, now.
Yeah.
Like some food show something.
Yeah, but then I get exposed anything.
Yeah.
Unless maybe we get my clips.
Yeah.
Hola.
Come on, Pana.
Yeah, nigga.
Again, Natang.
That's standard.
Man, where this camera at, bro?
I think I'm a Uzi get them.
Oh, I faded.
Imagine,
Yeah.
Man in the bank, bro. What the fuck?
man in the bank already.
Dog, where's the car at, dog?
Alright,
What happened to the car, bro?
Let's go.
Which car, dog?
You didn't have a car, dog. The car that you were driving.
Let's go. What's
Lies after lies after lies.
Lies after lies, bro. Right. Why the fuck you
Lelanga lisha kamnandi la juwas. Kamnandi.
Man, this
So,
grass don't be-
have you realized that I'm like all the living things in on earth
Nobody like placed it.
as one?
Yeah,
It's by
so
itself.
Yeah.
there are days that's not sona corner, there are days that's sona corner. Same as us humans, dog. Singasuka manje njoba sinje.
And it's this
Suke
weekend,
manje
that's
sambe
what it
sivuma
If
Joes.
you go like
Ngithola sivuma Joes, sifika boma Joes
you must
indoda.
be rich and some
Mhlambe siwayindile or mhlambe sifuna ispan. Basiqashe sonke kanje kusalemi.
rich or some shit.
Kazi lakho bro.
And the veil,
Kazi lakho,
and the
bro.
veil, dog. Like all the
lakho.
living things on earth, as
Kazi
one.
lakho tanga. Linokuba
Abantu,
kanjalo.
ilwani, ihlahla, nama aliens.
Mupigila ma alien yakho.
Ma aliens.
Mupigila ma alien yakho.
Yeah, but it is khona.
I don't know, dog.
Ingamla bro.
Yeah.
Nah, ingamla bro. Nas, my aliens dog. My white tanga nas. Let's
racist shit.
Nah, it's not racist dog. Look at the eyes, the green tongue and shit tanga. Yo, like fuck. Shit tanga. Leze tanga faka. Tanga thola mazinyo wazo tanga understand tanga ukwenzakalani nje. Uthebheka uthekhona baby bro. Understand?
Yeah, ma aliens, dog.
Aliza ma aliens.
Abelungu vele.
Hayi.
Mesmerized.
Endoda yabantu uthola iyo. Endoda yabantu uthola ipink baba. Yeah? Yashisa ipink, I understand.
Not
Not
for
like
me,
icini
not
indlebe endoda zipompekile zingawu yabo ukuthi. This one, no. This was not the good one. This one.
It's not for me.
Ay man. Wenzani guys? Uyinika lona.
Nah, you weren't gonna get it, dog.
Say no Diddy after that.
No TV.
Say no Diddy, dog.
For me.
And then it's gonna be eating your nigga alone. So I'm like, say no Diddy. Say no Diddy.
I know take it, dog. You better do this.
Abachithe to stay bambili. Ngoba bonike ngale ndawo lethu yenzile. That was fucked up.
Hey, ile nto ishilo. I never did anything, dog. You ever did it? Ngithi ngikunika lona.
No Diddy. Say no Diddy. Oh, come on, man. Don't say it. Hey, niggas. Hey, my dog. Ah, booty, dog.
Indaba edinga imali leyo booty Joe. You gotta pay.
Dinga imali.
Joe. You gotta pay.
Think you might.
Yeah.
I mean, that's free.
Phela ngeke ugibele mahala dog. For free. For free.
Oh, but there is such a thing as too much booty, dog. Yeah.
Yeah,
The booty shouldn't be too big.
yeah.
Right?
Demands or so.
It shouldn't be too. If it's too big, it ends up being boring. That's
Yeah.
honest.
It's all eyes on
But
head.
the driver is satisfied, dog. Phela ezinye zithanda lo. Phela manje inkinga the
I'm
problem
not even looking for it
njengathini.
anymore. It's like
We all have
too
different
much.
fetish. Ama-fetish. Khona lezi masingena ku-porn setting
But that
i-category
ain't, dog,
immense.
like, the symmetry, dog, has to be there, dog. Symmetry. Understand? Yeah, not too much. Ends
Makabheka
up-
umntanakho kumele
No, I'm talking about this like many balance.
super,
Many balance. Because if it's too much booty now, it's almost like some disability or some shit.
It's wiggling, though.
Understand? The symmetry isn't there anymore.
Sorry.
And then complexion, you know,
A complexion, dog, it doesn't matter.
doesn't matter.
You know what I think, man? It's good, like good skin, man. As long as the skin is fresh, it's good, it's smooth. You understand? Complexion doesn't matter.
What about yellow bone?
Etanga what if
Cheese,
umunye ne?
cheese,
Yazi
cheese.
amathita yamunyana. Love bites.
Yeah.
Machita.
Uthi kumshaya ni love bites lo cherry lo. Abethuto.
Shit, dog. It means you just ate some dirt. Damn.
Yeah. What would you do? Though?
Fuck, man.
Like yabona it's dark. La extremely like you vacuum that dirt.
Dog, I'm glad good to say we're at the age whereby the chicks that we're dating aren't putting on makeup,
Yeah.
dog. Since they're young.
Hey.
But it means we're gonna get there at some point, dog.
Mana mntwana ungashiya makeup umntwana fresh joke.
Yeah, but not since we're gonna grow up, gents. So
Ungashiya makeup
Yeah.
we're gonna grow up, right?
fresh.
It could be Sivas.
Mina prefer
Yeah. Obviously,
We all have
girls that
different
will be
types of
dating at that
fetish.
time. They'll be
yeah,
grown.
mina prefer ungashiya ne makeup.
gonna put on
Ashaya
makeup.
yona ngithola
They
sekuphumile.
gone. Like
Cha
eventually.
ukuthi hayi kusela.
Alela
I'm gonna have with some young niggas.
yabona mungathela ucherry waseNatal tang. Umshade umlethe ngapha eGoli. Umfake emsebenzini la eGoli. Abangani bakhe ayeka kujikela. Abangani bakhe bazomkhamandela. Kanti usibusiso uyenzani kanti? Thengela umtshela kuthengela iweave. Akajwayelanga ngisho lezi zinto. Sakayajutheka ufaka iweave. Yabona muhle makafaka iweave. Yajutheka ufaka amaziphi yazibona muhle. After lapho sekakhamandekile.
Ngabona fair leyo ngiyayi.
Wangaspani. Trust me lapho uzoba traditional. Mara waspana.
Yeah, ufuna zonke lezi
Yeah.
zinto lezi.
Uyangithola. Waspana.
Zonke lezi zinto lezi.
But nakhona it goes both ways. Ngithola. Example ma-Oli kaHlophe. Ngithola. Ma-Oli kaHlophe tanga. She kept cool. Like literally yabona bekanje bashada wabanje. Phela not ukuthi she loved the glamorous life now. Real wife phela nje. Phekela yenza yonke into yabona ukuthi spirit. Manje labala ndoda.
Oh, mfethu no uyabona mfethu.
Ama-Oli wali kasha istupu ndoda si.
Yo, nguluma makaHlophe intwana.
Etukuni imvula ndoda. That woman would pull out the crib dog. Semani dlalani ngapha. Ngakutshela dog. Big ups to her.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nah, nakasishaya stupid. Lapho si ready nto.
She was a hard worker, mama. She is a hard worker.
She is.
Yeah.
Ngizizela uyaphi.
Man, don't put that on camera, bro.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung